All these sessions will be recorded. So children, we will have weekly 2 sessions. One is today, Wednesday. Now, I don't know what is the time there. He is 11 o'clock. And we have a Friday session in the morning at the same time. All right. So we will go through August, all the weeks in the August. Okay. And okay. Now, since you have all voted yes, that you know chess, so let's go with the questions. Okay. Again, I'll post a question. What is stalemate? What is stalemate?
Okay.
How many can answer this? What is stalemate? So since you might have some idea about stalemate, right? No? Children, wait a minute. I'll post this question. How many of you have uh, know about stalemate? Again, if you say yes, you please vote. Okay, yes. If you say no, you can vote for no. All right. So this is the questionnaire.
I am not getting the poll.
Yes, I now you will get it.
Okay.
So one only have posted. Okay. Who said yes? Who knows it? Please, they can open their camera, mic, and they can talk about stalemate, please.
I know.
Okay, can you please tell me about stalemate? What is stalemate?
Um, when one player only has the king left, and the player survives the chess match for 16 moves, then nobody wins and it's stalemate.
No, that is not stalemate. That is a draw, but that is different idea. That is a draw. Okay, stalemate is termed as draw, but it is in a different kind. All right. Okay. Now I would like to ask you another question. Okay. Wait a minute. I'll post the question in the poll. Okay. How many of you know? Oh, okay. What is n percent? How many of you know what is n percent? Okay, let me post in the poll again. Yes, if you know what is n percent, you can Go with it.
The
If you
poll
don't know,
didn't come.
what?
The poll is not
I'm
full.
launching that question too. Yes. What is n%? Please vote yes or no.
Wait, there are two questions.
Okay. First question, leave it. Second question, n%. Okay. Please vote for it. First question, you leave it.
I just put choice 1 because you can't leave it.
Okay. You type anything for the first one and second one. n%. Okay. So most of you have no idea about n%. All right. Okay. Okay. So this will why I'm taking these questions is just to understand there are few things which you have to know about chess rules. Okay. You might know your chess game from your parents or your cousins or your brother or somebody, but you haven't learned chess from a professional players or somebody else. So I mean who played chess in professional level. So you have to know the rules which are the which are called tournament rules, right? Yeah, we have to understand the tournament rules, because when you go to a tournament and you have to play and you don't know what is that rule, okay, definitely it will be in a difficult that is a difficult moment for you, right? Okay. Now I'll I'll give you another question, please. Yeah. Just a minute. Okay. How many of you know about perpetual checks? How many of you know about perpetual checks?
I don't have the poll.
Okay, let me give you the poll again. Yes. How many of you know perpetual checks? Okay. Okay. And a few more. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's surprising. Now we can understand there are few people, few concepts we don't know about chess. Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
There are few things which we don't know. Okay. Now there are some easy set of questions which I will ask you. Okay. Probably this you will know a little bit. So let's go for it. Okay, let me give that question to you. Now let me put it in the poll. So rook versus bishop. Okay, I'll give you the poll now.
Could you repeat what you said?
Rook versus bishop. Okay, which is the higher value piece? Okay, which is a higher value piece? Okay, let me 1 minute. I have to make changes here. Rook versus bishop, which is a higher value piece? You have to select. If it is rook, you have to select rook. If it is bishop, you have to select bishop. Okay.
Hit the poll.
Yeah, 1 minute. Rook, I will give R as choice. Okay. Bishop B, I will give B. Okay. To save the time. Okay. Let me launch. Yeah. Please answer. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, one more answer I am waiting. 6 people have to the it is posed to 6 people, only 5 people. Yeah. Okay, great. Now, actually, the poll given as rook versus bishop, which is a higher value piece, means which is a bigger piece. Okay, 3 have voted for rook, 3 have voted for bishop. The correct answer is rook. Rook is considered to be a higher value piece. Okay. Now, let me end the poll and let's give another question. This time, I will ask you, rook or knight? Rook or knight? Okay. Let me give the question for you in the poll. Rook or knight? Okay. Rook means you can vote for R. Okay. Knight means you can vote for N. Which is the higher value piece? Means which is a greater piece? In terms of value. Yes. You can poll. Okay, I got 5 polls. Yeah. Okay. Now, okay, I got 6 polls. Yeah. Okay, let me end the poll. Okay. Oh, this session is not recorded yet. Oh my God. Yes, it is recorded. Sorry. Yeah. Now, children, we got it wrong. So many things by this survey we have understood. There are so many things we have to learn from chess, because rook is actually a higher value piece than a bishop and knight also. So little bit surprising. Yeah. Okay. Now let's learn. Okay. And is there any absolute beginners here? Means who don't know anything about chess? How the piece moves. Anyone? How the rook moves, how the how bishop moves. Is there anyone who don't know how these pieces moves? You can give answer vocally. Okay. So I assume that all will all know that how to move pieces at least. Great. Okay. Now I want to start with what is illegal move. Last polling, what is illegal move? You have to give it the poll. Last poll. Sorry, I have not posted yet. Okay. Oh, a little delay just because of my mouse is not working properly. Okay. What is illegal move?
I didn't get the poll.
What? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm giving it. If you know yes, you click on yes. If you don't know anything about illegal move, just click on no. Okay. And
I
here
don't have
the
the poll.
poll will end after this question. Okay. Then we will have conversation about uh, the what are the things we have. Yeah. Okay. Somebody said yes. What is illegal move? They know what is illegal move. Great. Okay. 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 Who have voted what is illegal move? Can you please tell me what is illegal move? Open your mics, please. Somebody have voted yes that they know what is illegal move. Can you please tell me? Okay. Can we go with these answers, children? Today, can we learn about these answers? Whatever we don't know about chess, we'll try to learn about this. The first question I have asked in the polls is that, sorry. What is stalemate, right? Stalemate means it's a draw. It's a process of draw. It's a one kind of draw. Okay. We have all the draw rules, which we will explain in the coming classes. Okay. One of the draw is stalemate. All right. Any doubt? So we will discuss that stalemate, what is stalemate and all that in detail Okay, but in a very short note, what we can discuss about stalemate, it is a draw. It's a stalemate is a draw, but there is a one kind of draw. But one girl have attempted to say this is a stalemate is a draw when that is when only one king is there and there are opponent side, they have many pieces. That is not stalemate, that is another rule called 50 moves rule. Okay, now we will discuss all the rules of chess slowly, but children, you need to be little bit active. Okay, and what is the next one which we have discussed? What n%? What is n%? N% is a special rule that is slightly confusion. See, generally we take it is a rule of a special rule of pawn. Okay, it is a special rule of pawn which occur in a different position. Okay, so it is a special rule of pawn. Okay, it is definitely not promotion, it is a different way. It is how you capture another pawn. Okay, generally we capture diagonally. Okay, but this is little bit different, that also we will see. So everything whatever we have. Now let's go to the third question. Perpetual checks. Perpetual checks is also a kind of draw. Okay, and let's go to the fifth question. Rook and rook versus bishop, rook versus knight. Children, rook is much better than knight and bishop. Okay, okay, rook is called a major piece, means it is better than knight and better than bishop. In general, I'm talking. Okay, now, yes, now why rook is rook have more more power. Now let's go and understand the power of each piece. Okay, now the king has, okay, king has no points actually, but queen have 9 points. How many? Queen has 9 points.
9 points.
Yeah, so let's king don't have any points. Okay, king don't have any points. Queen has 9 points. How many points? 9 points. Okay, I'm writing
Also,
it
like
with
9
my
points of
mouse.
direct.
So don't bother about the handwriting, please. So rook means elephant, children. If you don't know the technical names of pieces, okay, rook means elephant. Okay, elephant have how many? 5 points. Okay, and bishop means camel. Okay, camel has how many points? 3 points. How many? 3. Okay, and knight also has 3 points. Knights means horse. Okay, this also have 3 points, and pawn means soldier. Okay, soldier have only 1 point. Okay, now as we have discussed, knight and bishop have 3 points, which is less than this rook. Yes, rook have 5 points. Okay, yeah, okay. Now let me ask you a question. Okay, now queen is the most powerful piece, right? Okay, even not king. King is not a powerful piece, but king is the most important piece. Okay, let me ask you a question. Okay, two rooks. There are 2 rooks. Okay, and a queen on one side. Okay, which is more powerful, 2 rooks or queen? I'm not giving any poll. You have to tell me the answer, please.
Two
Two
rooks.
rooks,
Two rooks. Why?
because it equals 10 points, which is more than 9.
Exactly. Yeah. Now, knight and a bishop. Knight and a bishop. Knight and bishop. And a rook. Knight and bishop together and rook. Which is more powerful? Knight and bishop or rook?
Knight and bishop.
Yes,
Knight and bishop.
Why? It combinedly gets 6
Knight
points.
and bishop. 6 points.
Yes, and this is only 5 points. All right.
Right.
But if you don't know how to use these pieces, that rook will dominate the knight and bishop. In the same way, two rooks are actually more powerful, but we don't know how to place it. You don't know how to play it. The queen will dominate. Understood? Okay, but these points will make you understand which is the pieces you have to give, which is the pieces you should hold on and you should not give. Okay, you should not give queen for a rook. Yes or yes or no? Yes or no? You should not give queen for a rook. You want to give queen for a rook?
No.
No,
No.
you should not give. Yeah, because queen is more powerful. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go for the one by one. We have discussed about illegal moves, right? Yeah. Now we will discuss about what is illegal move. Okay. Illegal move means any move which is against the rules of chess. Okay. Any move which is against the rules of chess is called illegal move. Okay. So according to the FIDE rules, you are allowed to play only one illegal move. Okay. If you make second illegal move, you lose the game. Understood? How many of you know this rule? Okay. If you make two illegal moves, your game is over. You will be lost. Okay. You will lose the game. Got it? Yes or no? Any doubt? Can I proceed for the next one?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, the most important question I will ask you, that is, what is checkmate? Who will answer this?
When a king is near the black's queen.
Okay. When a king,
When a king doesn't have any more moves.
any more moves, that is okay.
And when the queen or king is close to the king.
Okay, close to the king. What do you call that close to the king?
Check or checkmate.
Yeah, check. Check is different from checkmate. Okay. Okay. Now let me give you example. What is check and checkmate? Okay. Just a minute, children.
What are we doing? I couldn't hear.
1 minute. 1 minute. I'll share my screen. Please tell me whether you can able to. Oh. Yeah. Can you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now this is check. Okay. Check means when you are attacking the king is called check. Yes. Now queen is attacking the king or not? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Yeah. Now king have three options. Number one, he can escape to a safe square. Where is the safe square? You can either move to this square, okay, or to this square, or to this square, or to this square. All right. Okay.
Yes.
So that is called avoiding A. Okay. And let us suppose there is another option which is called blocking. If there is a black rook over here, okay, now there is another option is you can block the check with the rook. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So there are two ways which we have discussed. One is avoiding, blocking, A and B. Okay. Now let us suppose if I kill it. Okay. Now what is the third option you can do? You can take the queen if it is too close and it is not supported by any other piece. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So how many options we have when there is a check? One, A,
Three.
avoid. Okay. B. Okay. Block. C. Capture. Capture means killing. Okay. If there is any possibility. Okay. Avoid, block, and capture. Okay. Now, if these three actions are not possible when there is a check and these three A, B, C is not possible, then it is checkmate. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now
Understood.
let's understand. Now I'll give you a chess position. Just a minute. Okay. Let's clear it off and take one more position. Now I'll place the king here. Now we'll place the queen here. Okay. Now let's see. This is a check. Okay. But it is not checkmate because king have a move to move, right? He can't move over here because king can take on the other king. So you can't move there. So you can move over here. Yes. But
Yes.
now if I move this move, like queen to b7, okay. Now, can I take the king? Can I take this? Can I move to here? No, because queen is controlling that square. Okay, can I move here? No, king is controlling and queen is controlling it. But can I block it? No, you can't
No.
block it. It's too close to be blocked, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
because there is no other piece to be blocked. Yes. And secondly, you can't block it if it's too close. Yeah. If it is the next square, you can't block it. Okay. And you can't take it. You can't take it. Why?
Because then the other
Yeah,
king
the
would.
king is supporting this queen. All right. Okay. But let me tell you, when the queen comes over here. Okay.
And I will update you. Okay.
Okay. Now can you take it? Can you take it
Yes.
now? You
Yes.
can take it. Yes.
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 Yeah, you can take it. Okay. This is the difference between check and checkmate. Okay. Now can we go for the next position? Okay. Before placing the positions, I want to teach you how to learn chess notation. Okay. Chess notation means when there is a square, you have to give a name to that square. See, you can see these coordinates, right? Whenever you see a
Yes.
chessboard, you have a chessboard at home. Yeah, you can see these coordinates, right? A, B, C.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are gives you an idea about how to identify one square on chessboard. All right. Okay.
Yes.
For example, if I ask you what is this square, you will answer right away white square. But all these are white squares. How can you differ from that squares? What is this square?
E6.
Yeah.
E6.
E6. Okay. Okay. Now let's understand. This is A line. Okay. This is B line. This is C line. Okay. This is D line, E line, F line, G line, H line, which is called files. Okay. A file, B file, C file, D file, E file, F file, G file, H file. Okay. These are ranks. Rank 1, 2. Okay. 3, 4. Like that, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now you can see that, right? Okay, now if I ask you this square, you have to check what is the alphabet there and the number there. Okay, so this is A1. Okay, this one is A1. Okay, now I will ask you where the white king is placed. White king is placed. Tell me the square name.
A6.
A6, very good. Now where is the white queen is placed?
B2.
B1.
1.
Okay. Where is the black king is placed?
A8.
A8. Okay. Now I will randomly put some pawns on the board. You have to identify very quickly. Okay. Okay. When I say go, you have to do it, not right away.
Okay.
Okay. Now one by one, you have to tell me. Okay. Yeah. A file, what is the pawn?
A4.
Okay,
A4.
Avni is okay. Next one, B file. What is the what is the pawn? Where is the pawn? Yes, Avigna. B file.
It is on B5.
No, B6. Okay,
Where's B5? B5?
B6 ma. B6.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, next one, C file.
D6?
Okay,
C5.
C file. C file, please. Avigna, you can mute. We will give chance to others. C file.
Okay.
2.
C2. Okay, D file.
D5.
Okay, E file.
3.
Go on, quickly, quickly.
E3.
E3 next. Next one.
F7.
Next one.
G4.
A4. Next one.
Uh,
G4. Not A4. Next one,
It's
H3. Very good. All right. So now you can understand. You can tell the square name because it is easy to communicate in chess classes. When you move a piece, where it is moving, you have to tell that square name. Okay, so it is easy for communication. Okay, but when you are using a piece name, you have to write the capital. Okay, and when you are writing the square name, you have to use small case letters. Okay, so for example, if you have to write the king coordinates, I'm going to write K capital. Okay, and E1, king is an E1, white king is an E1 in a lower case. Okay, king E1 like this. Understood? And black king
Good.
H8. All right. Oh my God. It is very difficult to write with the mouse. I'm experiencing it now. Okay. Now how many of you know about castling, children?
I do.
Okay, you do. Okay. Can you please tell me what is castling?
So when the king and the rook can shift place.
They will change their places. When we can do that?
When the bishop and the knight is not there.
Okay, when the bishop and knight are not there, you can do that. But when there is a check, can you do that?
No.
Okay. Now let's understand why we have to do castling. Okay. Now, how many of you know what is castling? How many of you have absolutely no idea what is castling? You don't know. Avigna, you don't know?
No, I do. I do.
You do. All right. Adidev, you know it? What is castling?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Now, okay, just a glimpse who don't know, we will explain it. Okay. If you know this concept, please have patience. We will go to the next topic soon. Okay, because we have to cover it, because if anybody don't know it, we'll just cover it. Okay, king can do castling. Castling is done for the protection of the king. Okay, normally when we do castling is when there are pawns. Okay, even though you don't have pawns, you can do castling, but generally when you have pawns, okay, okay. Now children, now you can do castling short side and you can do castling long side. All right, so this is king and rook will do castling. No other pieces will not do castling with king. Okay, castle means for the sake of protection, it will do. How many moves the king can make? Only one move. But in this special case, king can move 2 squares. If it is moving this side, you can move to here. Oh, sorry. Okay, king can move to 2 squares. 1, 2 here. Okay. Even if this side also, king can move to 2 squares here or here. Okay, 2. All right. But when the rook moves, rook can move 2 squares. Rook can move up to here. Okay. And this side, rook can move up to here to d1. All right. Okay. Now, let me see. Let me show you how the castling can be done. Okay. I'll just show it on the actual code. Okay. We are moving the pieces. First, we have to move the pieces. We have to get these pieces out to do castling. If there is, sorry. If there is any other piece, in between king and rook, you can't do castling. Okay. So you have to get these pieces out. Okay. I want to do king side castling. That's why I'm taking these pieces out. Okay. Now, see, now I can do the castling. You can move 2 squares. Just move the king to 2 squares in computer. It will do on its own. Clear? Okay, but there are few rules.
Clear.
Yes, any doubt?
No.
Yeah. So there are few rules for castling. That is, when there is a check, okay, you cannot do castling. Okay. When any of these pieces, any of the king moves, king squares, okay, are in our attack, then you cannot do castling. Okay. Either a square which it goes, or whether it is square it is it is crossing, or whether it is the square presently it is in, or whether it is the square it goes after castling. Yes, Abhigna.
I have
Yes.
a question.
Please,
So
please shoot it.
can we do we can do castling any side, right?
Any side, yes. You can do king side, which is short side, or queen side, long side. Okay,
And I have one more question.
please.
So like we I thought we can do castling when there's a check, because I mean the king's still moving, right?
Yeah, now
So
if you that's what, if you move your king, you will lose the castling forever. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to block it with any pawn or a piece, and then the next move you have to do castling.
okay.
All right. Yeah. Now, so children, so we are going for the basics, just 1-2 days. We will discuss about the basics, and straight away we will go to some proper game, how to play proper game, and we will give you chance to play the games. We'll do some puzzles. Okay. There are a lot is there in the next few moves. All right. Got it, children? So if you have already have have idea about chess, and you already know what is castling, okay, and you don't get disappointed, there are a lot of things we have to learn. Okay.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
So when a black pawn and a white pawn is in B2, and it's in a line,
Mhm.
horizontally. Can you attack it by jumping over it?
Okay, I'll give you, wait a minute. Can you give me an example? I'll put the pieces on the board. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. You can share you can see the board.
No.
Okay.
No.
I'll share my screen. Okay, tell me which pawn, where I have to place it.
Okay. So could you bring a black pawn and
White pawn which square? White pawn which square?
B2.
Okay, b2. Black pawn which square?
A black and the black pawn B3.
b3. Here.
No, not B. I mean B.
b4.
Not B4. C2.
b2. There is a white pawn already there.
C2.
C2. C2 here.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have to place the kings. Okay. If not, the position won't come. Okay, this is the position you're asking. Can you kill this?
Yeah.
No.
Like not like that. Can you put it across? Can you put the black pawn like could you like do this?
Which
like
square?
that way?
Cross C3.
Yeah,
Okay.
C3. No, not C3. B2, B3. B3.
No, you have to be more clear to me. Here.
No, I think she's asking about impatient step. There is one step called impatient, right? We can cross the pawn and we can cut that, right?
Okay, that is n%, right?
10%.
Yeah, that's what I
Yes,
she's
that is
asking
what
about
I
that.
asked. What is n%? You said you don't know about n%. Don't problem.
Oh,
Acha. Okay, n% I will tell you. When the pawn is over here, not here. Okay.
in the
I'll clearly explain you what is n% in the next class. Okay. The time is up.
okay.
So, okay. This is the pawn.
Okay.
Okay. Let me tell you in short. Okay. Okay. Now, n% happens with a 5th rank pawn between a 5th rank pawn and, between a 5th rank pawn and a 7th rank pawn. This is the 7th rank pawn if you count it from here. Okay. If it moves 2 moves, then this pawn will take like this. This is what you're talking about, right?
Yes.
Yeah. This is what's slightly confusing. I will tell you clearly. Okay. This applies. This is very exceptional rule for only in a particular position that can be done. Not always. Okay. That should be one pawn should be in the 5th rank. One pawn should be in the 7th rank. Okay. And second rule is when a pawn is moving 2 moves and avoiding capture, then only you have to do it. Third one is you have to do in the same move. Okay. So these are the things I'll clearly explain in the next few classes. Okay. So these are the things we will get doubts because we are playing when you have to play the game, when you're learning, okay, when you have to play a tournament, you need to know all these rules. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Avi. Yes, please. Someone raised their hand? Yes.
So
I know this n% is slightly confusing. I will explain in the next class. Okay.
Yeah. I also have another question.
Please.
Is it an illegal move if you do it for fun?
Is there any legal move?
Is that an illegal move if you do it for fun?
If you do it for fun.
Yeah. Is it an
No,
illegal move?
Rules are rules. You can't compromise with rules. Okay, when you are playing for fun, but when you have to stick to the rules, even you play for fun, you have to stick to the rules, right?
No, I mean
Okay, let me tell you one thing. Okay, see, if you are playing with a elder player, it is not a tournament game. Okay, you are playing at home, but still it is an illegal move. But if opponent allows you to play more illegal moves, If he can ignore, that is up to his wish. Okay?
Okay.
But you have to abide by the rules. You have to follow the rules. Even by mistake something happens, if the opponent allow you to play, you can continue the game. But mostly you have to follow the game. You should not compromise on rules. Yes. Okay, 2 more minutes. If any doubts, we will answer that, and we will take the next questions, and in the next class in detail we'll go to puzzles, checkmates, and shortcuts, and how to make checkmate shortcuts, and all that class in the we will go to learn it in the next class. Yes, Avigna.
Um. So, like, so if you did you meant like if you play with elder like people that's older than you, it will be harder?
Generally, it doesn't matter if they are older. How long you have played chess is very important. Okay, if somebody is a 30-year old and
Okay.
they just played chess game only 10 games in his life, and you are taking training from 1 year, you can even beat that guy. Don't worry about that. Okay. How
Okay.
many hours of chess you have played, how much practice you do, that matters. All right. So I will give you, even if you are playing with your elders, I will give you techniques that you can overcome their tactics. If you follow the rules, you can, believe me, a 6-year-old can also beat a you know a trained 6-year-old can easily beat a person who is a 12-year-old or a 15-year-old. Okay, if they are properly trained, believe me. And I have such experiences. There are people whom I have trained have beaten the elders also in chess. Okay, even their dads and uncles. Okay, it is very surprising. If you follow these things, what I say, that is possible.
Okay.
All right. So by the end of these 8 classes, we'll try to give as much as possible. Okay. To give those tools, if you are playing with the elder players, you can able to beat them if you follow them. All right. So we will end the class for today, and we will upload this recording, and we will send it, and we will give you some videos before the next class. Okay, please watch the videos. We have in specialized WhatsApp group. Please add yourself in that WhatsApp group. I'll give this recording and some videos also. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.